Ever see a big price gap and have no idea whether to chase it or avoid it? Most traders get trapped right there. Today, I'll show you a simple gap-and-go momentum strategy that helps you trade those moves with confidence. This strategy focuses on price gaps plus momentum confirmation. You'll use market session gaps, a momentum indicator, and a trend filter to avoid false moves. Buy setup. Price opens with a bullish gap above the previous session's high. The market holds above the gap area, momentum turns bullish, and price stays above the trend filter. Enter a buy when a strong bullish candle confirms continuation. Sell setup. Price opens with a bearish gap below the previous session's low. The gap is respected, momentum flips bearish, and price stays below the trend filter. Enter a sell after a strong bearish confirmation candle. The key idea: don't trade the gap itself. Trade the continuation after momentum agrees. Always place your stop loss just beyond the gap level. If price fills the gap completely, the setup is invalid. Exit fast and protect your capital. This strategy keeps you trading with momentum, not emotion. If you want the free indicators and templates, visit forexmt4indicators.com and start applying the gap and go strategy today.